Hi everyone, in this video I want to guide you on how to post or upload video on your own YouTube account. So there are few steps you must follow to upload your video into YouTube account. See at the top of the feed of the YouTube, you can see the create button, and it has the option to upload video and go live. So choose the upload video. It will put you in the next page, and this is the page to upload the video that we call YouTube Studio. To upload the video, click the upload video button and select file video that you want to upload on your YouTube channel. After you choose the video, upload the video on this option, and after that you can fill the details about your video. For example, title of your video. For example, I put the title of my video, how to create YouTube account. And the second is you can also put the description if you want. Put any description that will make your viewer more know about your video. For example, I put the description. In this video, I want to guide you on how to use YouTube, how to create YouTube account. Click next and pick your audience of your video. Next is video element. Just click next and check section is you must the YouTube will check your video has copyright or not. If it's clear, click next and choose your visibility. And after that, just click publish. And done, your video have been published in your own YouTube account. You can copy the link or share to other platform, share your video to other platform that have been served. So this is the step to upload the video to your YouTube account, and you can see at your YouTube Studio the channel content has your video that have been uploaded, and you can see how view of your video and how many comment of your video. And that's all. I hope you will follow this step to upload your educational mathematics content in your own account. Thank you.